Today we're going to look at 7 easy prep tips that will save you time, help you eat better, and reduce your stress levels. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves feeling like we're in a perpetual rush. Between work, family, and social commitments, it seems like there are never enough hours in the day. This is where meal prepping can be a real game changer. By taking some time each week to plan ahead and prepare in advance, you can make a significant difference to your day-to-day life. Let's start with an easy one: chopping veggies. The age-old struggle of not having time to chop vegetables for healthy meals, but here's a simple solution. Buy pre-cut vegetables. Yes, it's that easy. Many grocery stores now offer a wide variety of pre-cut fruits and vegetables. From broccoli florets to pre-washed and chopped salads, you have so many options. Just look for the pre-cut section or ask your local grocer for assistance. It's a great time saver and ensures that you always have fresh veggies ready to go for snacks or meals throughout the week. Remember, if you don't have time to chop your veggies, you won't have time to eat them either. So don't let those veggies go to waste. Instead, opt for the convenience of pre-cut options and enjoy a healthier diet without the hassle. Next, batch cooking grains and legumes. Cooking grains like rice or quinoa in bulk can be a real lifesaver when you run short on time during the week. Cook a large batch of rice or quinoa and store it in airtight containers in your fridge for up to 5 days. This way you have a healthy side dish ready to go for any meal. Similarly, you can cook a big pot of legumes like black beans or chickpeas and use them in salads, soups, or as a base for dips. You can even freeze them for longer storage. This is a fantastic way to streamline your cooking process and ensure you have nutritious options readily available. Third, use your slow cooker wisely. The slow cooker is your best friend when it comes to easy weeknight meals. Throw in some pre-cut chicken breasts, frozen vegetables, and a can of low-sodium tomato soup. Top it off with a sprinkle of herbs and spices, and let the slow cooker work its magic. This hands-off cooking method will save you time, and your delicious meal will be ready to enjoy after a long day. Fourth, make friends with your freezer. Frozen fruits and vegetables are just as nutritious as fresh, and they can be a great time saver. When fresh produce isn't in season or when you need a quick ingredient for a recipe, frozen options can be a lifesaver. Plus, they're usually more affordable and last much longer. So don't hesitate to stock up on frozen fruits and veggies for smoothies, stir-fries, or any other dish that calls for them. Your wallet and your health will thank you. Fifth, embrace leftovers. We often feel the pressure to eat something different every day, but leftovers can be a fantastic option. Not only does it save you time from planning and preparing a new meal, but it also reduces food waste and helps you eat more mindfully. So don't hesitate to enjoy the same meal 2 nights in a row. Your taste buds will love the familiarity, and you'll appreciate the extra time in your schedule. Sixth, keep it simple with canned fish. Canned fish like tuna or salmon is a great addition to your meal prep routine. It's packed with protein and healthy fats, and it's incredibly versatile. You can make a quick salad by combining canned fish with chopped veggies, a squeeze of lemon juice, and some whole grain mustard, or you can use it as a topping for crackers or whole grain bread. This is a fantastic way to add variety to your diet without spending a lot of time in the kitchen. Seventh, don't underestimate the power of breakfast for dinner. Who says breakfast foods are only for breakfast? When you're feeling too busy to cook a traditional dinner, why not switch things up and go for a breakfast for dinner? It's a fun and easy meal that can be prepped in minutes. Think scrambled tofu with veggies, whole grain toast with avocado, or a hearty breakfast burrito. Your taste buds will thank you for the delightful change of pace. And if you want even more tips and tricks to make meal prepping easier and more enjoyable, check out our blog for more helpful articles. Thank you for watching, and happy prepping.